Hello, my name is Sheila Halliday, and I'm going to go over the code that I did for week 2. This is the template right now on the screen. That is what you see. This will be my template. It's an HTML, has the media, the viewpoint, the HPH is extended into here from each of the header, the nav bar, and the footer. So this can be used again and again whenever you need to input the same in. This is my code for the header, nav bar, and footer. So when just running this page, you get the first screen where it's just what we did first without all the information. When I built it, I started with my template, so it still has all the same template information. Move this over a tad. There we go. So you still have the same things. I have the extension for the PHP header, nav bar, the footers down below, but this is all the information we were to add in. I used, in the CSS, I used all the images that were given. I used the colors that were given. I picked a font from Google Font that I thought looks to be more sports car-y. So, and it starts with the smaller screen, the phone screen, and then as you scroll down, anything above this width will go into the large screen. So, here it is, and thank you very much.